What's going on, my friend? It's Brian Davis back for another video. And if you like videos talking about investing in the stock market, leveling up your mentality, leveling up your emotional intelligence, becoming a meditative investor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. You're not going to want to miss these videos I'm going to be bringing to you on this channel. And go ahead and hit that like button for me, okay? Because it helps get the video out. All right, so in this video, we're going to be talking about a couple stocks I'm looking at this week, a couple stocks I loaded up on today. So we're going to just dive right into it. It was a great day in the market for me, okay? So let's go ahead and hop on to the Robinhood app. And as you can see, guys, today was a great day. 24.59% gains just today. As you can see, that comes out to $2,814. I'm gonna tell you exactly how I made this play, what I did. I called this play out this morning in the Discord, like immediately with so much conviction. The link is in the description below. Join the Discord if you want. It's only 25 bucks a month. We're not financial advisors. We're sharing our plays and educating you when it comes to investing, mindset, stock market, cryptocurrency, and things like that, okay? So let's go ahead and dive into, first off, what happened today, how I made this play, and how I came to this particular play. So we're gonna start off with this right here. It's my HYLN. HYLN, man, Chris Sain caught this stock out a while ago. I've been holding the bag. I've been a bag holder of HYLN. I own 100 shares in my Fidelity account. I got it at 26 bucks a share, rolled it up to 55. I didn't sell. I was holding the bag. Should have sold, but I didn't. It's all good. And I just held it all the way down, averaging down to like around 20 bucks per share, okay? So, I saw on Seeking Alpha this right here. Goldman Sachs point some competitive factors about HYLN, okay? So look, it says it right here. Goldman Sachs cuts its price target to 12 bucks. Okay? I'm like, okay. And then I said, let me go over to HYLN's website. Okay? And look at this right here. What do you see? On February 10th, they had a technology and internet conference for HYLN at Goldman Sachs. Now, tell me if that's weird. So they're going to short the stock a week before, right? A week before. This was February 3rd. So 7 days before the conference, Goldman Sachs is going to short it and say it's worth 12 bucks. So HYLN starts dipping down from 19 all the way down to 16, 15, and then February 10th, which was yesterday, they had their conference. All right? And then the news came out this morning, right here. Where's it? The news came out this morning, right here. HYLN came out with a new battery, right here. HYLN introduces next generation battery model to improve performance and efficiency, guys. This battery apparently can recharge in under 8 minutes, guys, under 8 minutes. And they deal with big rigs, 18-wheelers, class 8 trucks, okay? And the average time it takes for them to fill up their gas is probably 15 minutes. So if their battery technology can charge in under 8 minutes, that's the fastest that I've seen, at least, right? So that in itself was powerful. As soon as I saw that, I went over here and I saw HYLN around this time this morning. I saw it shoot up to like around 1689. So immediately what I did, boom, sent it out to the Discord. I said, guys, this is fishy. I already sent that information in the Discord a week ago, talking about how this doesn't make sense. Goldman Sachs is shorting it, but at the same time, they have a conference report on a week later. Come on, guys. You knew that they were trying to load the boat, get the stock price down, have the conference, have the news shoot up. So as soon as that happened, guys, I went over to HYLN calls and I bought right here I bought 7 contracts at first. I bought 7 contracts, average cost of $130 per contract. All I had was $1,000 in my buying power. If I had more, I would have dumped it all in there because this news was just mind blowing. And as you can see, this thing rolled all the way up to $5.75 a share, somewhere around there. Okay, I took 2 contracts off the table to take my initial investment out. And guys, this is a multi-day runner. I think it's a multi-day runner because if you look at the similar companies that had similar announcements, QuantumScape, right? They talk about their battery technology, which I don't even think has been developed yet. HYLN's has. And look at this, it just shoots up to the freaking moon. Now, I don't think it's gonna go this high, like realistically. I mean, next week we can see $30 30s, maybe in the 30s. So my plan is to hold these contracts. They expire February 19th. And yeah, so that is what happened today in this portfolio. The guys in the Discord made some money. It was awesome. So yeah, join the Discord if you want to be a part of the community. We're growing that thing. And also earlier today, I sold a Luminar technology call for profit. Post that in the Discord. A quick 20-30% profit. Also loaded up on TXMD contracts, guys. It dipped down, guys. So it dipped down to around 186, and I picked up 10 contracts. And as you can see, after hours, it's running. I mean, next week we can see this thing run. I think, you know, they have earnings next Thursday, which is risky. But as you can see, I own 732 shares of this. And then I also have 10 contracts. If this thing dipped for me again tomorrow, best believe I'm picking up 10, 20 more contracts, guys. Yeah, loading the boat on this one. Right now, as you can see, I'm down 12%, but it's nothing. I see this as a $6 stock. And like the short to mid-term, potentially $10 stock, mid to long term. They got some good products in the pipeline. So those are pretty much the moves I made today in the Robinhood account. I did buy some dips in Tattoo Chef, in my Fidelity. I bought 25 more shares. It dipped 3%. I bought 15 more shares of HYLN in my Fidelity account. Yeah, guys, so I'm just slowly loading the boat, nibbling on some of the shares. And so as far as the stocks that I want to bring to you today, was number 1 was TXMD. Okay, so just take a look at that, guys. They got earnings coming out next week, so really be careful with that. You can either wait after earnings if you want to get in. It's not financial advice, but I would really look at this company, do your due diligence on it. They have 3 women's healthcare products out that they launched last year, dealing with female contraception. Really revolutionary products that really don't require any doctor's appointments or anything like that. You can take it and do it yourself. Pretty cool. So that one, and then one more stock I want you to look at, of course, is HYLN, guys. Just do your due diligence, check the article. I mean, look at how much room we have to run with this right here. The max is 55. So I mean, we can see some big potential runs here soon. So as far as those are the 2 plays I wanted to share with you. I didn't even check any other part of my portfolio. I mean, ZOM is just kicking off right now. Went up 10%. Still average cost of 99 cents. I'm about to start slowly adding to this on the dips now. I'm up above 185%. See this as a $10 stock, guys, in the midterm. So 6 months, 10 bucks, 5 extra money. Or for me, 10x my money. But for right now, good price target for this. You know, if you can catch it at 250, catch that 250, okay? So as far as some tips when it comes to investing, guys, I really want to emphasize buying on the dip, okay? Now the only reason you would buy on the dip is a couple of things. Number 1, you've done your due diligence on the company. You have to understand what you're investing in, even if you just go and look at what the company does and understand just a few numbers, okay? Because if you don't know anything about the company, then when you see red, you're gonna run out, you're gonna want to sell, and you're gonna sell at a loss, and that's what you don't want to do. Okay, you don't want to do that. So another reason why you would want to buy on a dip is to lower your cost basis. As you can see, cost basis here, average cost is at 99 cents. So if I was to buy at 250, my average cost would go up. But buying on the dip, as you can see in my TXMD right here, I bought on the dip. As you can see, some of my buys right here. See, some of my buys. I bought February 10th, February 11th. Let me see. Let me just show you here. So as you can see, I bought here originally at 231, and then the next 2 days I bought 225, and then here 212. See, I'm just buying on the dip, because I really believe that this company is going to take off this year. So you load the boat, okay? As you can see in my stock positions, stocks right here, I really only have 2 main positions, ZOM, TXMD. I apologize for the outside noise. I live really close to a street and the open windows. So yeah, as you can see, I only have 2 main positions, ZOM, TXMD right now. That's it, guys. I'm really working on growing this portfolio to 100K this year, and we're going to get there. We'll see. Hopefully in the next 2 weeks we can see this hitting the 25K mark. We'll see what the HYLN option does for me. I really think this thing is gonna run, guys. I really do. Don't take this as advice. Do your due diligence, but I think it's gonna run. So that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. Let's start up a chat down there. Please post your top holdings down there. Maybe we have the same thing. Give me some ideas. We can bounce ideas. Also, are you invested in any of the 2 plays that I mentioned? If so, let me know how much you're up, how much you're down, and let me know your average cost, guys. Blessings to you. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Until next time, peace out. Later.